time it is. It's time for the nyamins. Let's get into the recipe.
So family, today's hot and spicy day. Hot, hot, hot. Yes, we are making the famous Jamaican pickled pepper or Escovitch sauce. So here I have my veggies which I went ahead and prep. I have some carrots here which are thinly sliced. Over here I have some bell peppers. I'm using the small bell peppers because I think they look more cuter for this type of recipe. And here I have some onions. I have some pimento berries or allspice. And here I have some scotch bonnet peppers in different colors, hot, hot, hot. I have some granulated sugar there and some salt over here. So let's get started. Over here in my pot, I have about 3 cups of vinegar. I'm going to go in with our granulated sugar and our salt. And the sugar there is just to balance out that acidity from the vinegar. The vinegar and the sugar combines together is going to give your pickle a very nice flavor. And we're just going to stir and let our vinegar become warm, not boil. Just before it begins to boil, you're going to turn off your stove and then we move on to our next step. So here I have 2 mason jars. I'm gonna go ahead and put our veggies in, and you don't have a particular order in which you put them in, but you want to layer it nicely and so it looks presentable. So you put a little onion there, a little pepper here, a little carrot there, and a little pimento berries there. You just want to mix up the colors, and so when you look at it, it looks very enticing. Yes, if you get what I mean. And guys, when you're cutting up those peppers, those scotch bonnet peppers, I'd advise you to wear gloves, okay? Because these peppers are no joke. So it's best for you to wear your gloves, okay? And this pickled pepper, you can serve it with fish, you can serve it with chicken, you can serve it with shrimp, you can serve it with just about anything, you name it. And you know what? This is a perfect gift idea. I'm gonna show you how you can present this as a gift, maybe to your neighbor, to a family, or to a friend. Yes, guys, very perfect Christmas gift right here. And you know what? You can store this for a year or more. All right. If you have reached thus far into the video and you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and click that notification bell that says all, so whenever I make a new upload, you will be notified. Thank you in advance. I'm gonna bottle up the other mason jar off camera and then we move on to our next step. Okay, so there we have it. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go ahead and pour our vinegar onto our veggies. You want to pour it while it's hot and you want to let it sit and cool before you cover it. And that's it. Awesome. Look at it. Beautiful. The colors are just popping and the taste is amazing if you like spicy. So that's it, guys. This is how I show you that you can present it as a gift. You just make a nice little bow and let the thing look pretty. Yes, and this will be a gift well appreciated. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting and sharing, and also subscribing. See you in my next video. Happy holidays. Bye for now.